Have you noticed that ocean animal videos are suddenly everywhere? Take a look at this TikTok page. It just started, yet it's already pulling in hundreds of thousands to millions of views on every video by posting ocean animal videos. This niche is still relatively untapped, so now is the right time to jump in. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral ocean animal videos from start to finish using AI. Now let's get started. The first step is generating prompts for our AI ocean animal videos. I've included the prompt in the Google Doc linked in the video description below, so go ahead and open it and copy the entire prompt. Next, head over to your favorite AI chat tool. For this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT. Simply paste the prompt into ChatGPT and press enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 unique ocean animal documentary concepts, each featuring realistic predator versus prey encounters. Browse through the ideas and choose the one you like best. Or if you already have a specific concept in mind, you can simply enter your own idea instead. Once you've made your selection, press enter again. In just a few seconds, the AI will generate two things for you: a highly detailed AI image prompt to create your documentary scene, and a cinematic AI video prompt that we'll use later to animate that image into a realistic wildlife video. Now it's time to generate and animate your AI ocean animal documentary scene. For this tutorial, we'll be using Sorio AI. To get started, click the link in the description, head over to Sorio AI, click Get Started, and create your account. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the Sorio dashboard, where you'll find a variety of trending AI video templates and powerful creation tools. Let's begin by generating our image. Click on Image, then select Generate Image to open the image generation interface. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the AI image prompt it generated, and paste it into the prompt box in Sorio AI. Click Generate, and within seconds, you'll have a stunning, ultra-realistic ocean wildlife image. Download the image to your device once it's ready. Now let's bring it to life. Click on Video, then choose Image to Video. Upload the image you just created, then select your preferred AI video model. Sorio AI offers some of the industry's most advanced models, including VO3 and Kling AI, all in one platform. After that, return to ChatGPT, copy the cinematic AI video prompt, and paste it into the prompt section in Sorio. Click Generate, and within a few moments, your realistic ocean animal documentary video will be ready. Let's watch the final result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.